What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha Lave and today I'll be doing an unboxing video for this hair I got from Aliexpress called Ali Pearl Hair. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on. So it came in this package right here. It came in this FedEx shipping package. Gotta have my address, so I want y'all to know where I stay. My thoughts about the packaging is like, it's just a random packaging. They could have did better, but oh well. So what comes with the hair is these little mini eyelashes. I give them to my little sister sometimes, just not my speed. They cute though. So I got 3 bundles and a closure. My bundle inches are 20 inch, 22 inch, and 24 inch. I got an 18-inch closure. Let's check out the closure first. It's my favorite. Can't wait to do a video on this. Y'all know that I have tights on my head. If you want to see how I did that, link that video down below. So check it out. So it came with this little net on top of it. I already took it off. I like the color of the lace. Almost my skin color. It looked like they tried to pluck it a little bit. It don't look bad. So this is the 18-inch closure. Hair feels good. It's a 3-part closure. I would have to pluck it myself. Want to see a video on that? It's that down below so I can know what y'all want to see. And also, if you want to see a video on me bleaching this closure, let me know. I can also do that. So this is the 20-inch. Well, it's okay. At least they got cute with this. It say Ali Pearl. You are the most shining, I guess. Oh, you are the most shining pearl. So they sent me some good hair. It feels nice. No shedding so far. I believe this is body wave. – 20 inches actually long. It's not too short. Let's see the ends. I know Ali Pearl is known for getting those blunt ends, like they just, but they didn't send me no hair like that. The ends are actually cute. They tapered. It looked like it's gonna be some good hair. This the 22-inch, again with the wefts. Actually some good wefts. They fit. I don't know if you can see it on my camera, but it's like a natural color. It's not black. It's like an actual natural brown hair color. I like it. It do have like gold streaks in it. Can you see that? I don't like that. I don't like that. Like it came from an old woman. The bounce, it has a bounce to it. It's bouncy. – 22 inches, it's long. I mean, like it goes below my belly button. That's long for a 22 inch. 24 inch. Okay, so I know this gonna be long. Let's see how long it's gonna be. So from right here. So the 24-inch goes to my hip. The wefts on here is also good for the length. The wefts are the same throughout all 3 bundles, so I don't think they held back because of the length. They actually did good. Some nice soft hair before even washing it. This is straight out the package. Okay, so that completes this unboxing video. If you want to see me do anything with this hair, comment ideas down below. If enough people tell me that they want to see a bleaching video or a plucking video for this closure, I will do that. If you want to see a sew-in tutorial of me sewing these 3 bundles and the closure from Aliexpress hair in my head, comment down below and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. Snap me at Queen-Isha. My Instagram and my Twitter is Miesha Lave _. My Facebook is Miesha Screenfellow. And until next time,